Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Sweatcoin to exchange. So basically, this is a Sweatcoin app, and you have to log in it, and you get some, some money or some points. Basically, you can withdraw your Sweatcoin, or you can use as a reward for just for walking. So basically, let me show you an article first of all. So for those people who think that we can withdraw your Sweatcoin to exchange, actually it is not possible. You can see this is a article which is written by the Sweatcoin itself. So at the moment it is not possible to transfer cash out of Sweatcoin via PayPal or bank transfer. And if you will read the full article, you will see that it is not possible to withdraw your Sweatcoin to exchange. There is only way to use your Sweatcoin is through rewards. So you will get the rewards, and basically will get discounts to buy or use a service or buy out products. So basically this is how you can use your Sweatcoin. So guys, I hope you understand this video, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.